Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Irene Kufa here. Guys, it's morning here in South Africa. So me and Prince, we are just want to go down there, just to show you the other side of diepsloot. So we are just passing here through that park I was showing you last time. You see this gate here? I just saw this. I don't know. I think they tap for washing hands, this one, but I think it's no longer used, this one. So we are just passing. You see, do you still remember this name of this park? The name of this park, here, it's written here. It's written here. Diepsloot, Park 1 Extreme. That's the name of the park. So we are going with Prince. Yes, Prince. Prince, say hi. So guys, let's go. You see, it's raining, guys. Now it's better. It's opening. You see, now it's better. It's better now. Ooh. Here I have to jump. This what? Oh, Prince, let's go this way. So guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm begging you, please. Thank you very much for subscribing my videos. Guys, I can see you are subscribing. Thank you very much. I do appreciate. Just keep on subscribing and like. Yes, and like and share and comment. Only sweet comments. Is it true? Sorry, there's a wind. Too much wind. Let me pause a little. Guys, you still remember that? Still remember that Jim I was telling you in the back. You see that mama is gymming there. See, you see that mama. Ah, yeah. Ah, look, look. Huh? Please go that side. Go that side and gym. Please go that side. Yeah, it's gymming. Gym, please. Yes. Now that lady, she's tired. She's going. She was gymming. She's too fat. She wants to slim. Oh, shame. Prince, you don't know how to go that side. This side. Come here. Here. This one. This one is good. This one. You can sit here and touch. Just to sit, I will show you. Sit. Huh? Uh-uh. It's not dead. Is it dead here? No, there's no dead here. It's not dead. Sit and touch here. Pull it, pull it. See, guys, Prince is gymming. Yo, touch with the hands, with your fingers, with your fingers. Do 5 times, 5 times, 5 times. Then we go 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Let's go. I don't know. Let's see if there's a way to go up there. I want to show you the other side of diepsloot. Let's go. What is it? Guys, let's pass here. This is Fall River. The children are playing. And there's other guys. Show them. There's other guys there. They're playing so. Let's pass here. Let me show them. See, guys, where we are passing. Look, I don't know if you can pass. Hmm? There's a waterfall down there, and it's dirty. Yo, yes. Hmm. There are flowers here. See where we are passing. Look, see, you see, there's a waterfall down. See, can you see it? Let me show you. Look, let's go. We are going up there. There's a road there. As we stay that side, you see how big is diepsloot. You see, look, we are up now. We are up. You see, these are mukukos. These boys, they are playing soccer. So as we are going up, I don't know if I can manage. Let me go this way. Yo, if I fell down here. You, hey, yeah, hey, yo, yes, yes, I did it. Did it. Oh, see, it's noisy here. Too much wind. Look, guys, there's too much wind here. I don't know if you can hear me. See, guys, we are on top. This is the whole deep slope. This is the whole deep slope. Look how big it is. Look, this road is going to, I'm sure it's Cosmo City, Lanzeria, Airport, or Aratambol Airport. Yeah. And I forgot other names for the locations. I forgot. Lion Park. This way. This way. And then down there, down there is the way to go to Pretoria. Go to Pretoria. It's a freeway. Yeah, they're not cars here. The cars, they are running. They are running. We are still walking. You see, guys, there, I think it's the industries where there is companies. There's a company, that one there's called Ducatole. I don't know, I think it's a construction name, I don't know. And then they said the sand is written Goms or Jones sand. Look, too much stones here. Look, if you fell down here, too much stones. If it's a fresh tree like this, it's like this. But if it's dry, it's like that one. Let's go. Ooh, that is fruit is big and it's beautiful. When you see it here, the view, oh, it's good. Here there is fresh air up here. It's only fresh air. Some big trucks are just going. Some big trucks. See? See? This house is very nice. You see, just to put the upstairs cars. And there's a man there who is passing with a motorcycle. This one. I think he's coming from work. As we are We are just walking here. Walking. Very nice. I don't know, we are just walking. Maybe you can see the way on top there to go back. Then we can go back. We're still walking. Some nice houses there. These houses, they use electricity. It's not an extension one where there's no electricity. Here they use electricity. Here it's only electricity. No solar, no what. But so, but if the electricity is gone, then people can use solar. That's they have solar lights, uh, some gas stove. See this house here. See, it's written. It's written smart pets. Smart pets mobile grooming. Book with your neighbor and both get 15% off. Okay. I think it's for the pets, small dogs. I think so. Oh, it's good. I'm just playing with you guys. Guys, we are lost. We are lost. We are just walking here. We are only two. Nobody's here. See, there's no way to go inside there. You see, there's no one. We are just walking alone here. Here and please. No, I don't know what to do. Maybe we should go back. Let's just get there. Where there's a house there. That big house there. There's no way to go back. Then we can go back. There's no other way. It's nice grass here. See? Nice grass. Nice one. It is good. This place here. This place here. Yeah. It's only this grass. It's very nice. It's like it's planted, but it's not planted. Here there's this building. I think it's just a painting. It's a house for someone. Let's go. Ah, please, I'm scared. Guys, we just saw something. Me, I'm scared. Maybe we can see a dead person inside there. Yeah? Maybe we can see a dead person inside. Me, I'm scared. You see, it's like a ball. Is it a ball in English? That one you can dig. Well, that one you can dig. Then you see the water inside. You see, hey, guys, me, I'm scared to go there. I'm scared. It's a big Prince, don't go there. Please.
I want to see.
You want to see inside?
Yes.
Please, no, no, no. You want to see inside? Huh? Go and see. I don't. Prince, you see this guy? Look, huh? He's not scared. Huh?
I'm not going to. I'm
It's
very
a pipe.
shy.
Is it a pipe?
Like a train.
Let me check. Ish. Me, I'm scared. It's not down, down.
No.
Oh, okay. It's just rubbish inside. Okay. I thought it's a well. That one you dig, then it goes down, down. Then there's water inside. Okay. Oh, I was scared. Let's go. Let's go. This flower here, it's like aloe vera. This one. Is it aloe vera? I think it's aloe vera, this one. Yeah, it's aloe vera. It's very good aloe vera for skin. It's good for skin. If you can just take that leaf one, then you just apply in your face, just like this. And then you can just apply for 5 minutes. Then you wash it with your face. It's good. It makes your skin very nice, smooth, smooth. You must have a smooth, a nice skin as a woman. Not a skin like you're coming from the grave. I don't know. I don't know. People coming from the grave, how they look like. So I don't know. Guys, we are going back. Ah, there's no way. No way. That's why you can't see anyone here. There's no entry. Entry to enter. There's no entry to enter. So we are going back. Then just by that small enter, small road. Ish, it's drizzling. Yo. And we don't have umbrella. You see, we are passing that road. We are going back. But the weather is good. That side is good, but here it's drizzling. I don't know. It wants to rain. Other people they plant. You see, there's bananas here. Tree bananas. Banana trees. It's very good to plant some uh, some trees for fruit. It's very good, especially at your compound. It's very good. Especially some mango, avocado, banana. But banana needs more water. If you know that you can't have water in your compound, yeah, it cannot survive. Guys, it started raining now. Let's go. Oh, can we go this way? Let's go this way. Let's go this way. It started to raining and we don't have umbrella. We are very far from home. Ooh. Hey, this road is slanted. Hey, it started to rain. Hey, we are in the bush here. See the way we are passing. Look. security gate. Yeah, it must have security because it's at the end. No one cannot hear them. No one can hear them. When the thought is there, no one can hear them. So they must have security there. Oh, guys, the time we were passing here in this park, there were people were gymming, people were sitting, but now they are gone. They are running. Just left the kids. Kids, they don't care about water. Even these boys who is playing the soccer, that's who are playing the soccer. That's the right time to train because it's not hot. It's just good. It's very good. Good weather. Good weather for training. I heard that in Europe or America, they train while it's raining. Even it's heavy raining, they always train the soccer. But here in Africa, if it's raining, they told them go and sleep. Huh? That's why we are always failing. Eh? That's why we are always failing soccer here in Africa. How come we told boys that go back, Bafana, go back and sleep? Huh? Who does that? Ah, no, it's not good. It's not good. They must train while it's raining like this. Hmm? You see, there's a lemon tree here. You see how it grows? You see many lemons. Oh, Jesus. Lemons. See, guys, there's a small dam here. Huh? Look, this water. Passing here. I don't know. Passing at the gate. At the gate. Guys, it's now raining. It's now raining. You can see. Guys, thank you very much for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Now we are running at home. Let's go, please.